All right, the last three on this page hopefully will be a little quicker. They have to do with horizontal and vertical lines. Way on one of those other two pages, we graphed those lines that went straight up and down or straight across, right? They look like this. If I had a vertical line, it said x equals, and there's just a number after that. There was no y. When I had the horizontal line, I had y equals, and we had a number after that. So if I want to write the equation for the horizontal and the vertical lines that go through the point -8, 1, I know that this first value is always my x, and the second value is always my y, right? So, if I'm writing the equation of the horizontal line, horizontal lines always say y equals, and then it would have to be the y value from that point, which in this case is 1. So my equation is y equals 1. For my vertical line, I know my vertical line always starts x equals. So then I look at my point, the x value of my point, -8. So they're just checking to see, do you know when you're doing a horizontal and a vertical line that you don't have both the x and the y? You only have one or the other. So number 17, write the equation for the horizontal and the vertical lines that go through the point -3, -1. So I know in this point that the -3 is what value?
X.
And the -1?
Y.
Is the y. So if I want to do the horizontal line first, my equation's going to be
-1.
the whole equation,
Y equals.
y equals -1. If you just put -1, it's going to count it wrong.
Okay.
Because you either have to say x equals or y equals, because it makes a difference on which way your line goes. My vertical line is going to be
-3.
is going to be
Oh, positive. My vertical line is going to be
the whole equation. -3 is just the number.
X
X equals -3. Right?
Yep.
So number 18, you're seeing if you're reading, they switched it around. It says write the equation for the vertical and the horizontal line passing through the point -7, 3. So for my vertical line, I'm going to have...
Is this still going to be X and Y?
It sure is.
Okay, so my vertical line is going to be X equals -7.
Exactly. And my horizontal line?
Y equals 3.
Great.
Okay.
All right. So we'll work till about 10 o'clock. Gives you about a half hour.